Hey guys, today we're working on this 2016 Subaru Forester. Some of you guys may wonder how to replace the rear window wiper motor. I don't know for what reason. I don't see why they would go bad. But some guys, we sell them. So obviously if we sell them, they go bad. This guy first. If you take your hands right here and just, let's see if you can pull on it without breaking it. There he goes. These little guys right here, hold them into here. So if you put your hands right here and just peel them backwards, these guys will come out. And then this guy, same deal. Just yank on them, they'll come out. Same for this side. Okay, now we have these Phillip clips right here. Let me pull one out and show you. Both sides have them. Oh, there it is. It's like this. So if you take your screwdriver and just slowly turn it, it'll come out. If you push on it, turn it, it won't come out. It's plastic. There's one on each side. There's another one right here. Pull this one out too. Don't lose these guys. These are specific to that. There's one little hanger right here. There's a screw in here. Little hanger right here. It's one of these guys. Pull that out, and there's one more. It's over here on this side. Right here. Take a flathead, open this door. There's one more screw in there. Right here. The rest of this thing is held on by clips. I usually just grab here at the end, like here, and just pull. The thing will come out. Yeah. See, it's held on by these guys. These little clips. Up here, this little flap that go like this. Just if you flip it open and just pull up, it's held by these little guys here. This needs to come off first. That comes off. Take your 10. You gotta take that out. And then and this goes this way, not this way, or you'll be doing this. Okay, don't forget that. This thing, so I put it right here on this side so I know it goes that way. Now, you got a plug right here. You gotta unplug that. And then you got three number 10s right here. You got 1, 2, and 3. That's how easy this motor comes apart. Now, when you call to order it from us at the wrecking yard, see this 8013? In our computer system, we put these numbers in. Somehow, this bracket has something to do with this motor. So, if you call, just be like, hey, I need my rear wiper motor. This is the numbers on the back of the plate, and we'll know exactly which one you have, so you get the right part the first time. Now, let's say you got the new part, you want to put it back in. It's very simple. There's rubber seal, make sure it's still there. Sometimes you might push it out for some odd reason. Or hell, you broke the back glass and you need to put a new glass in it. You need to take this out first. This thing, goes right back in the way it came out. You can see the three 10 spots. Hand tight them in, because if you strip them, you're kind of just screwed. And once you got them all in by hand, then slowly just tighten them up. The most important thing, don't forget to plug this back in. You'd be like, what happened? I replaced it, the motor still doesn't work. Okay, since that's back in, back here, you know, you can kind of see where the line was originally. I like to put it right back where that was, and then again hand tight this thing on, hand screw it on, and then tighten it, because you don't want to strip any of these bolts, and even this not to super tighten either. And then you can go to, this thing just snaps on like this. That's it. That's how you replace this motor that goes bad. I'm starting with the big one, which is going to be the funnest one to put on. Make sure when you guys pull the panel off that none of these guys got stuck on the panel. If they did, pull them out, put them in here. And you got some going this way and some going that way. So what I like to do is get these guys clipped in first and then pop these guys in. So the key is to find out where these guys are roughly right around there. See, you pop that in, and then these guys kind of just, if you don't force them, they just go back in their own spot. If you start pounding like this, don't do it. It's not gonna break them. You can give it a little bit of a tap. Hold it right here. Okay. So let's go ahead and put the screws back in. One screw in here. Okay. One screw up in here. These guys are going to be these guys up here. They go up in here. These are going to be hard to put in because these are all expanded. You got to get all these in the same hole. So try to, you know, make them as small as possible. You know, there he goes. I got that one in. I'm going to go ahead and screw that back in. Aha, successful. So you screw this guy out some more. That's all it goes. Aha. Aha, there you go. I got him, finally. And now we're gonna put this guy on these two clips right here. These are the things that they go right into here. Very easy. Let me go take care of these guys. There's a little tab up here. That little tab, it has a really hard time clipping in over there. Sometimes push the glass out a little bit. So there you go. Pop in. Try to catch that lip first. It'll be easier on this side because sometimes you put this in. This thing doesn't want to pop in. So try to catch that lip first and then come around this side. It'll be easier. Aha. There you go. Boom. And then last but not least is this guy.